nice drop down the page, Euro red zone and Aussie green zone. So definitely something I'm looking for to short. The retest back to structure here at 61% level. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday, 30 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound, short on the euro, the US and the CAD. Look at the dollar index, still coming down for 2 days now, still battling these support levels now, because this has now really become a strong support level yet again, which is quite surprising to me, because my next level, which I believe it should go to, is this support level coming down here. It has formed a little bit of a support level here, which is quite tough at this stage. Could turn into a double bottom if it bounces from here, which I highly doubt. You can see my intraday indicator is very bearish on the dollar. Short term, medium, long term, everything is bearish. I will stay dollar until my indicators tells me different. For now, there's not much we can do. Although the support looks strong, I'm waiting for the break downwards. Gold holding well at the support, didn't retrace back to the 50% level, unfortunately, but holding well there. And another consolidation is forming. If I connect all those lines there, you can see a very nice wedge pattern, triangle pattern, whatever you want to call it, and that little breakout, that will draw my attention. And a weak dollar like this, I want to be gold long. Bitcoin, just as I get excited, it gives up. So that was the next level to cover, and it didn't. So giving up a little bit, maybe just coming back to retest this $63,000 levels. It's always difficult reading these sideways ranges. You know, when markets are trending like this, it's easy to read them. But when they start to do this, they become very, very random, so very difficult reading them. So for now, I'm not that excited about this candle last night, but or for that matter today, selling off heavily for a Monday morning. But the trend starts to look stronger. You can see here, as we get a new high, so we might see a retest. It might still retest this falling trend line. Yes, it's all possible, coming back to the $58,000 levels. That's all possible, but I get the feeling it first want to test this level. So if I see this level hold, then the next break will be that big pattern break, which would be above, let's call it 69,000. I would ultimately like a break above 70,000. But this head and shoulders here, we haven't seen the test. Remember now, the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, the neckline. We haven't seen a retest, so it's all possible that it could test it. My target stays on this thing, $80,000 for the pattern. I still believe we're going to see $100,000 by the end of this year. Hopefully I'm not wrong. The S&P 500 on a weak dollar. I want to be stock market bullish. Rising bottoms, breaking a little bit through, but I would like to see a break above that falling little trend line up there. If it breaks out there, retest, counter reversal, I'm definitely going to look for some long setups. Similar scenario on the Nasdaq, also testing the level. This previous support level or resistance level becoming support now. I'm going to need a very strong candle before I'll go in, but the breakout right there, that looks good to me. So if I can get this consolidation to break, and then also after that retest and then a counter reversal, I'll consider some longs definitely on a weak dollar. On the euro Australian dollar, nice drop down the page, euro red zone and Aussie green zone. So definitely something I'm looking for to short. The retest back to structure here at 61% level, that'll draw my attention. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. US Swiss, nice strong drop down the page on Friday. Retest to the structure here between 50 and 61%. That's also something I am interested in. You can see here, dollar definitely bottom of the pile. Swiss franc neutral. I'm not after that, but I'm after the short on the dollar. Aussie CAD, Aussie all the sparkle, CAD second worst. So nice run up the page, retest back to the 50-60% level. Structure coming in right at those levels. That's where I'm gonna get interested. Might not happen today, maybe only tomorrow or tonight, but I'll keep it on my watch list. Euro Swiss. Euro red zone, Swiss, not after that, but I'm after the short on the euro. Now you can see the euro and the yen is fighting here for the spot. So I'm a little bit nervous about this trade, but I'll see by the time it gets up there where the euro will stabilize for today. But a retest there, right at structure between 50 and 61% level. That'll at least draw my attention. Not very fond of it yet, but we'll see by the time it gets there. In the Aussie US, Aussie all the sparkle, dollar bottom of the pile, wanna be long here, but not from those highs. Retracement back to 50%, structure coming in there and there, so old resistance becoming support. Candle reversal there, I'm definitely gonna consider some longs there. In the New Zealand CAD, nice swing up the page, New Zealand CAD, you can see New Zealand green zone, CAD red zone, my mentoring program, we got a very nice New Zealand US long, missing the target with 5 pips last night, so hoping for the best today. Retracement back to 61% level, structure coming in there, I'm looking for candle reversals here, I'll take another long. Then the pound Australian dollar. Now pound definitely something I want to be long in, but here I have to short it to get a long on the Aussie, and Aussie is my main focus here. Aussie has got all the sparkle. Now this could be a nice hedge trade also, but a retracement back to structure here at 61% level. That'll get me to go short, but I'm not after a short on the pound. I'm after the long on the Aussie, and this is a way of getting it. In the New Zealand US, nice swing up the page, retracement back to 50% level, structure coming in there. New Zealand second strongest of them all, dollar bottom of the pile. And that's the one that we've got on our mentoring program. Not this one, but we got long from down here. So I'm really hoping for our first target to hit. We've got a second target also on there, but it's looking good. But for this one here, on the 4-hour charts, I'd like the retest, candle reversal. I'll consider some longs. In the Euro New Zealand, nice swing down the page, retracement exactly back to 61% level. Right the structure there. Euro fighting for that red spot there. New Zealand all the sparkle, not say all the sparkle, but sharing the sparkle with the Aussie. But if it gets back up there, I'll reconsider my RS, I'll look for some candle reversals, and then I'll take some shorts. If you look at XRP, one of the only cryptocurrencies that's really flying at this stage, breaking those big levels, I'm not that enthusiastic yet because the SEC has got until Monday 7 October to appeal. Now usually they pump beforehand, and then the moment they appeal, we see a big sell-off. And that's the downfall of XRP on this stage, is this whole SEC case. But technically, it looks very good. So we got over the weekend a break of the long-term trend line plus the short-term trend line. So I don't know, but if I can get a retest here, I'll definitely consider something here, because I am very heavily loaded up on XRP also, and I would love this SEC's case now to get to an end. But if they're going to appeal, it's going to be another few months, maybe a year or so. Well, I've got a long-term view, so I'm not that stressed about it, but I would love to see the growth and the run-up on this one, because it stayed behind the whole year on the big run-ups that we saw since the beginning of the year. So, but I've got a very long-term view on this one. The rest, I've got a long-term view, but I've got a serious long-term view. That's all I can say about this. I'm not seeing a particular trade here, especially now with the SEC actually, the possibility that they can still appeal. Sounds like XR Ripple is not going to appeal. So the 7th of October, that would be the end of all ends to XRP court case, because then they've got clarity on everything in the market. So let's hope there for the best. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.